Hi, I'm Kristin Omdahl, and this is the final video part 7 of the Mystery Crochet Along. I hope you've enjoyed this as much as I have. Let's get started on video part 7. This is video part 7 and our final video for the Mystery Crochet Along, and you may have guessed at this point that it is a bag. We have worked all 13 rows of both pieces, and on the 13th row of the second piece we joined the front and back together. And now in this final video I'm going to show you how we finish off the top edge and add handles at the same time. So you want to start with a chain 1, and we're going to work our into our row end stitches now. So into that first row end stitch, we're going to work 2 single crochets. If you need a reminder on a single crochet, it's insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook. Pretty easy. And we'll work 2 single crochets in each row end stitch until we get to the center of this side. Then we'll work 1 single crochet into that foundation oval, and we'll work 13 foundation single crochets. So we're going to chain 2 for our first stitch, then insert a hook in the second loop from our hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1 loop on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook. The chain 2 counted as our first, that counts as our second. We'll insert our hook into that vertical bar created in the last stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1 loop on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook. There's our third stitch. We want 13 total. Okay, there's our 13, and then we'll work a single crochet into this next foundation oval, and then 2 single crochets in each row end stitch across. When you get to sections where we carried a yarn, you're going to wrap that inside our stitches. Okay, we've completed the front side of our bag, so now we'll turn our work over and repeat for the second side of the bag, working 2 single crochets in each row end stitch across to the center. then 1 single crochet in the foundation oval, 13 foundation single crochets,
Okay, then we'll skip our center section, 1 single crochet in the next foundation oval, like that, and then 2 single crochets in each row end stitch around. And slip stitch to the first stitch at the beginning of the round to join. And this is what your work should look like at the end of this round. For the next round, we're going to work a chain 1 and single crochet in each stitch around. If you wanted to continue and just make the strap and the final band at the top in one color, you can. I'm going to fasten off and use a little bit of all 3 colors up here. So I'm going to switch to another color and do another round in single crochet. That second round you want to repeat 3 more times for a total of 5 rounds for our handle and our bands. I did it in all 3 colors for a couple of reasons. Number 1, I just thought it was fun to do a play on the 3 colors that we used in the bag. And besides, I was trying to use only 1 ball total in all 3 colors. And in order to disperse the yarn and use the same amount of all 3, working the band in all 3 colors worked for me. But again, you could do this all in 1 color. You would just need enough yarn in all 1 color. Or you could do this as a stash buster and change color after every row for the bag pieces and every round for the handles and the top. There are unlimited ways that you could add color to this project. This would also be really great in a self-striping yarn because it's modular. It would change color as it went down in the front and the back, and then you could either pick up on one of those colors for the band or continue in the self-striping yarn for the band. I can't wait to see what yarns and colors you chose. Please tag me in all of your posts so that I can see how your mystery crochet along bag turned out. Let me know in the comments if you would like another mystery crochet along next month.
Ta-da! We finished it. We made it through all 7 videos. I hope you enjoyed this project as much as I did. This bag is so super cute. I can't wait to use it. I hope you enjoyed making this as much as I did. If you would like to do more mystery crochet alongs, please let me know in the comments. Let us make time to create, share, and inspire today and every day. I'll see you in the next video.